My name is Atikana Shahadati Abdul Rahman. I would like to share with you about what have I read from the internet. It is about the use of eggshell in the contaminated water. Industrial wastewater contaminated with heavy metal is commonly produced from many kinds of industrial processes. The example of heavy metals are mercury, lead, cadmium, and chromium. The heavy metals are the natural components of earth crust. They cannot be degraded or destroyed. If the wastewater is not treated, it can cause a serious environmental problem in the natural ecosystem. In water systems, chromium usually found in two main states, which are chromium 3 and chromium 6. The chromium 3 is needed for metabolism, but the chromium 6 is hard toxic and carcinogenic to living organisms. Chromium can irritate the skin, cause kidney and liver damage, ulceration, and many other dangerous diseases. So, the methods to remove chromium 6 from contaminated water is created. Many methods have been applied in this purpose, such as chemical precipitation, coagulation, ion exchange, and also solvent extraction. But most techniques have some limitations, like requirement of pre-treatment. They are also less effective and high capital cost. So, adsorption was chosen as the method to remove the chromium 6. It is because adsorption is simple and effective. Bioadsorption is a type of adsorption that uses material that is not man-made, usually some kind of waste material such as eggshell. An absorbent made from the waste eggshell membrane is created to remove the chromium 6. The eggshell was chosen because as the byproduct of the food processing and manufacturing plants, each eggshell represent a significant waste because traditionally they are useless after the egg production or the egg derivatives. Most biosorbents contain amine group that remove the heavy metal but through kinetic cationic metal ions or absorbing the anionic metal species. The eggshell membrane contains many surface functional groups such as amide, and carboxylic group. It is modified with polyethylenamide, which has known as the chelation properties. It is found that the chromium 3, it is found that the modified eggshell membrane is not only remove the chromium 6, but also it can reduce some of the chromium 6 to the chromium 3. So, we can see how a waste and natural material can be used to save our environment. Actually, there are a lot of things, of natural materials that can be used to create useful things in our life. So, we should explore more about our nature and don't forget to protect and save our nature. That's all from me. Thank you.
We're so afraid of pollution.